Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, after the finances were released and the Fed clearly suggested to the fact we will not be getting an interest rate cut, the market did decide to take a pullback. I mean, Bitcoin retested close to 86,000, and after that, we were able to make a recovery. Now Bitcoin is sitting at 91, and most of the altcoins are also showing an explosive result. Most of them are up over 20% just in the last 24 hours. Keep in mind, this is a very positive sign. Being able to recover so quickly clearly suggests that the inflow of cash was really high, and the limit orders must have been triggered, and that's one of the ways that Dogecoin is in positive again. On the other end, there are some new whales which are being created. This whale decided to purchase close to $66 million worth of Dogecoin just 2 days ago. Here is how high Dogecoin can go in the next 6 months, and the experts predicts are quite insane. Dogecoin could soar far beyond the current all-time high, and analysts expect it to be at a price which a lot of people cannot even imagine. And the crypto industry pushes for policy sea change after the Trump victory. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything relating to Dogecoin and the whole crypto market, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just up to YouTube algorithm, push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, and we see the market climbing even harder, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. Now, first thing first, I want to talk to you guys about the action that Dogecoin is doing. Today, earlier when I made the video, I mentioned how Dogecoin has been retesting the 35-cent support way too often, and if you pay attention to what's been happening in the last 48 hours, it's actually been on the lower end rather than retesting the resistance close to 45 cents. We need to get out of this lower barrier to ensure that there is not panic selling which can cause this support to be broken. If we do break the support, the next one is going to be close to 32 cents, which I'm very certain a lot of you guys do not want to see. But as you can see, in the past 6 to 8 hours, we have actually gone back into the upper zone where it's trying to break above the 38 cents, but it's becoming a little bit of a problem. Just keep in mind the open interest has seen another 10% jump, and that's one of the reasons why the market is on an uptrend again. I mean, if you pay attention to the Dogecoin's trading volume, it might have come down another 4 billion, sitting close to 10 billion, but the open interest is still holding really strong. The long to the short ratio on the other end, the long traders are becoming more and more greedy. What I mean by that is just 3 days ago, it was sitting close to 68%. Yesterday, it was sitting close to 72%, and now it's at 74%, clearly suggesting the growth is becoming explosive. And the fact that the open interest is so high and in the favor of buys, it's clearly suggesting that Doge still has so much upside potential which has not been triggered yet. Here is what the experts are predicting. Dogecoin continues to trade at the 3-year high following a sensational bull run over the past couple of days. Although the explosive upswing has cooled off in the past 2 days, analysts remain very confident. In the next 6 months, if they expect, let's just say Bitcoin gets to 150 to 250k, Doge is very strongly going to be at $1 point. If the scenario plays out right, honestly, we got a lot of profit to make. And honestly, the way the scenario is playing out, if Bitcoin doesn't show any signs of slowing down after crossing 100k, because I know for a fact so many people are waiting for the 100k to take their profit. At that point, the market is going to have a really strong pullback, maybe up to 5 to 7% just for Bitcoin alone. Therefore, there will be a lot of other tokens or smaller altcoins which are going to be seeing even bigger declines. Now, if that happens, we need to make sure that people buy in and actually become more greedy to pump up the price even harder. And most likely, that's exactly how it's going to be playing out. Even a few months ago, it would have sounded like a meme fever dream for crypto emerging as the biggest winner of the 2024 election. But right now, Dogecoin has actually been the best winner of the 2024 election, because the way it has reacted ever since is kind of crazy. And the fact that in the next 2 weeks we have already gotten an announcement relating to Doge that is being formed already says a lot of things. Now, crypto industry pushes for policy sea change after the Trump victory. I mean, as I mentioned, it's been only about a week and a half since Trump victory. If we're still able to already tell the fact that Trump is going to be getting rid of Gary, who's going to be the SEC leader, and getting a new leader who's going to obviously be more pro-crypto. There is 8 different states who have already filed a lawsuit against SEC for putting extra regulations towards crypto than required. That is one of the reasons why there are so many things happening towards the crypto and actually in a good and better favorment. Now, if we talk about the trading volume, you guys can see that Dogecoin has lost a spot, but it's still not far-fetched. I mean, if you see another 500 million and it will be top 3 again, and that's crazy to say. Only USDC and XRP have taken over, but when it comes to market cap, it's still holding really strong at 6th spot. I mean, XRP in the morning was getting really close, but today, I mean, after Dogecoin was able to get a 5% increase, again, the difference has become a little bit bigger. Another whale is this one. Just yesterday, at the price of 40 cents, decided to purchase another $10 million worth of Dogecoin. 56% of the traders on Bitcoin are shorting it right now. So that should give you perspective why it's such a big deal for Dogecoin, because 74%, that's a huge number when it comes to the people who are longing Dogecoin. And on the other end, the Bitcoin, 56% are shorting it, so 44%. The TD Substantial recently presented a sell signal on Bitcoin's daily chart, but now risk of invalidation if Bitcoin can print daily close above 91,900, 100K will be very, very close. Suit accusing Elon Musk of rigging Dogecoin ends. There are people who were investors in Dogecoin who decided to start this lawsuit, but soon as, you know, the impact that they saw that Dogecoin is having from our boy Elon Musk, they have taken it back, and now this gives our boy a little bit of a freedom to go crazy on his support. Will Dogecoin go up? A complete Dogecoin price prediction guide for the next 6 years. Right now, the way everything is happening, it's been huge. Now, what do we expect in the next 6 years? The price to actually climb even harder, and maybe we might be at a couple of dollars by the time it actually gets to the next big run up. $4.20 easily this cycle. That would be a really strong statement, but if that does happen, honestly, $1.25 seems a little bit more closer in my opinion. It just really depends on what kind of influence Doge will have on it. And Elon Musk's Doge can actually do some good, and definitely for the government, but at the same time, it can do really good when it comes to maybe our Dogecoin price. And Binance sees a persistent Bitcoin outflow. That means a lot of people are taking their money into the wallet to hold for the long period of time. So we're in the good. We're gonna be seeing more green days. Just be patient. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you very soon.